Well, 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 people. Here we go. Boy, oh boy, did I miss out a little bit today. I did. Give me a second to recover. I do need a moment for the fallen, who is me, okay? Starting off, this is not for children. If you are children, please depart. Second of all, now that all the kiddies are gone, it's time to start drinking early today. There we go. Okay. Nuno, what is up? Henry Treos. A little bit of Malibu rum and Diet Coke. That's what I'm saying. Anything that is said during this live stream is for fun. For fun. I don't do this professionally. I am trying to pull up some trading view and having some difficulty. What is the fucking problem? Oh, it's finally able to get that up, huh? That's cool. Don't you talk down to Malibu rum as a girls only drink. I won't be having it. I will not. I had to get on, guys. The Discord's blowing up. The Discord's blowing up. I'm making posts on my Patreon. Guys, if you had gotten in my Patreon, you wouldn't have gotten help very much. Because I have missed out on this all day. I couldn't be posting about this or talking about this or playing with this because I've been at work and I haven't been able to get access to a phone or a laptop or something. But man, did I get fucked. Whew. Boy, oh boy. But I did decide to get in at $15.30. So obviously I'm up $14 a share on any purchases I made at that time. Yes, Zulud, I did get a new haircut. I shave it pretty regularly. Use a no guard, just do it myself. When I do it, I go like this all the way. Then I have to do it like this. And then afterwards, somehow, it's still patchy in places where I didn't hit it, and I'm like, oh, the fuck did that happen? I get on at 15:44. You got in at 15:44. What the fuck? We're at 15:44 right now. You'll probably be fine. I'll tell you why. Because I can't pull up my trading view for some godforsaken reason here. Give me a second to try to get my shit straight. Okay. I can't do two things at once, apparently, because I'm fucking stupid. Here we go. We're still bullish. We're still looking bullish, guys. I mean, whoop. Control Z. What in the fuck? Auto scale is on? Why in the fuck is auto scale on? Jesus Christ. Look at this. This is the 15-minute Heikin-Ashi. We had that recent all-time high, recent relative high, recent relative low, shake off, consolidation, conformational change, going up again. This is what we were expecting to happen, so that's why I bought in here. Because I wasn't in during all of the fun because I was fucking working and I didn't know what was happening. And well, I did know what was happening, but I'm not making purchases if I'm not watching it live, because one of the surefire ways to lose some money is to put some in and then let it sit there for too long. Even if you make some money, You got to take some profits off the table. If you jump, you know, if you're day trading and shit. Hi Zen, what's up? Ranny. How do you pronounce that? Oh, here we go. The fucking baby. I'm gonna have to. Wife is in the house. I'm gonna have to call her and ask her why she's not, if she cannot help the baby. USPS arranged delivery time of the parcel got changed. Please confirm here. Oh, fuck you. I'm not doing that. Give me a second. Just call my wife. Ask her why she's not taking care of her children. Soup 1010, welcome. Baby, you there? I just wanted to tell you I'm live, and wanted to just ask if you thought maybe you had a moment to check to see if Grayson was crying about something. Maybe if you could do that, okay? Are you available for that right now? It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 p.m. I was just... Okay. Love you. I played it off like everything was going well on that conversation, but it was not. It was not at all. Oh, she's out of her office. She's yelling at the kids now. Oh, Jesus, hold on. Wait a minute. Why do I have 3 mics? What the fuck? Does my voice sound normal? How's my voice sound now? Has it changed at all? Or is it still as terrible as it was? Is it just still terrible? Hello? Hello? Can't hear any goddamn. I'm responding. Uh-oh. No. Don't start turning on me now, fuckface. Don't start turning on me now, fuckface. We had a 5-minute cross. We have a 5-minute cross here. Uh-oh. This is no bueno. Come on now. 30 minutes still is attractivo, isn't it? Turn them on behind. Yeah, I mean, not much different than this or this. This could be the same. Jesus Christ. Thank you, Prince Zuko. Calling out normal sounds. Appreciate that. What's the risk for margin? 10 times either over 1,500 in your opinion started at 12 or not? No, 7% from 1,500? What's the risk? I don't think it's going to drop right now. From 1,500, we're well over 1,500. Do I think you're going to risk dropping 7% from 1,500? Catch on my 100. You got 122 ETH? Zulu'd, you dog. Let's do the math. Zulu'd gave us a little math problem. What's 22 times 1537, and that is just creeping down. 187 G's, dude. The guy's playing with a little bit of cash. Fuck, Jahan. What up, dog? Dude, Kane, nobody's here for financial advice. If you should know better. I told everybody, okay? Don't come here for financial advice. That's not what this is about. But if you wanted to get my opinion on my purchases and sales, I would go to Patreon /Great Scott the Gamer, or click the link in the description and get access to that behind the scenes knowledge bombs. Fuck yeah. I'm actually becoming really apprehensive about the moves that are happening right now. in the very, very short term. We've been in it's too early for it to turn down. I was expecting a conformational change here with a nice upswing, and this is a little bit early to go into another flat line sideways movement. So yeah, I'm not liking that at all. I do have to shit on my phone, have to shit on the computer, this screen, have to shit on this screen. By the way, who heard about Jeff Bezos today? Cutting and running like a motherfucking G, dude. We should hang that guy in the streets and just redispense all of his wealth to everyone who lived and died to create it for him. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Hang him in the streets. Don't listen to what I'm saying. Forget what I just said. I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed to say that while people are listening. I think there's too much momentum right now, Zulu, for it to start to fall really hard. I mean, worst case scenario, I mean, I don't know what trading platform you use, but it seems like 1525 is a hard bottom. So if you could set yourself like a limit or a stop order at 1525, I don't know what trading platform you use. Okay, so it won't let me use this screen right at the moment. Okay. What's happening? Why is this blinking out of me? Ian Van Bruggen. Welcome. Where's the... Oh, I haven't drank enough pop yet. Oof. Guys, it's not happy movements, that's for damn sure. We didn't fall any harder than we have fallen. Like, when we hit that all-time high 3 hours ago, we dropped from that all-time high 2.78% over the course of 35 minutes before moving back up again. Now, you would have maybe thought that, oh shit, that's a terrible time. Oh, I should have got out. I fucked up. And then, oh, should have got in. Fucked up. So, if we look in here, this is not bad as it could be. This is turning down. We have a really nice 5 minutes. All of a sudden, it'll start looking really nice. Otherwise, wait for your oof. It's like this one. Wait for your markers. Got your double cross. Got your double colors. On the 30-minute, we don't even have a red. If you had been following the Heiken Ashi, as I have been explaining on my channel and on my Patreon for a really long time, you would have bought in right here. Heiken Ashi, you would have bought in, okay? And you'd be in the money. You'd be up $100, okay? Look at the Heiken Ashi. Worst case scenario, you got 2 greens here and you've crossed. You got 2 greens and a cross, which means you can buy somewhere in here. You should buy somewhere in here on the 30-minute on the Heiken Ashi. And you would have watched all this happen. What time was this? 11 o'clock? Oh my God, I was in committee meetings and everything. Couldn't get out. Couldn't get out. Oh my God. This is the 30-minute, and still look how nice it still looks. You wouldn't get out of here. No, the massive dump has been happening for the last 2 weeks. I was actually expecting it. I had a sell order for $14.99. I said this on the stream yesterday, I think. I had a sell order for $14.99, so some things did trigger at that. Things did trigger. You guys can see. Oh, I don't use this is pro.coinbase.com, and I've been messing around with their limit orders. I might transfer my Robinhood account over here depending on how this goes. So far I don't like it because What up, Blackout? So far, it doesn't seem to do what I want it to do, actually. Like, these don't trigger the way I want it. I want to be able to buy something and have a trailing stop order percentage on a trailing stop order. I want a trailing stop order on Ethereum. That's what I want. Yeah, Big Daddy. I always say I usually don't go all in and all out. I usually probably move a third at a time. Yeah, I've been hearing good things about Kraken. I just downloaded it yesterday, and what did I do so far? I don't even recall where I'm at. And then, guess what? We found out Magic the Gathering Arena is on mobile. Hello. So then we got this Kraken account. Oh, that's right. Kraken Mobile is not as good. We tried to fuck around with the Kraken Mobile app, and the app wasn't so good. And and we were advised to use the desktop version. If we look back at historical values, I don't think we will. It wouldn't make very much sense for us to go that low ever again. If you look at this, I mean, if we ever went below this right here, then that would be a pretty big downward trend, because we would be this kind of trend is pretty important trend. I don't know what Phoenix is. Guys, am I cutting in and out? OBS is telling me that reconnection is successful, but I don't know. Probably need more Diet Pepsi. Oh, good thing we brought a second one. Here we go. 3 1-month premium trial. I can offer. Oh, that's good. I don't mind paying fees if it's a good service. I mean, the fee, if it's 1% or less, if it's 0.5% or even as much, no, wait. 0.5% is really preferred. That's okay, right? I mean, $5 on a $1,000 trade is fine. That's fine. That's acceptable. Some of these fuckers out here charging 5%, not 0.5%. Some of these motherfuckers out here charging $50 for a $1,000 trade. Is that ASMR? Dude, I would love to get into some ASMR. It's too bad my voice is so grating and terrible and annoying, like my wife says. Or else I would do some ASMR, like a mode. I would make some noise. Well, dude, when you originally asked, it was $15.40 probably, and you probably lost $13 times 122 since you asked that question the first time, huh? Pfft, only $1,600, dude. Chill. Only $1,600 you lost in the last minute. Just fucking relax. Hmm. Man, that's a rough 20 minutes. Fuck. That's a rough 20 minutes. What I would say, Zulu, if you want to play it safe, wait for the double red moving average cross on at least a 15. At least a 15. You don't want to regret getting out too early. If you've been in it and you've been in profit and you've been following the Heiken Ashi, you'd be in profit for sure. And it's fine to lose a little bit of profit off the top than to get out early for no reason. If you're on the 30 on the Heiken Ashi, we're still all greens except for this one. But if we go to 15, we get one more red and a cross on the moving average, then I would say wait for that at least. I'm using a number of things. I'm using pro.coinbase.com. I'm using Binance.us's they use TradingView, and then also you can go to tradingview.com and use theirs, which I do a lot. This pretty much my top left one, trading. Oh, are you on the voice, Zulu? Dude, I'll put you on. Get on the fucking Discord. Voice stream, bro. Here you go. Eric, say something. Oh, here we go. I can barely hear you. Can you turn your, I don't know if you can turn your own volume up. We got Zulu on the line. This motherfucking G has $180,000 on the line. Good for you, man. That's really good for you. I'm fucking pumped for you. I don't want to watch you get hit anymore. And it looks like we're about ready to have another cross on the 15. Although it's slowing down. Look at this. Okay, so on the 5, we have the shorter tails. We have a flattening out on this moving average. This is a better turn. As long as for the next 5 minutes we have a positive run, might turn around. But dude, I'm pumped for you. No, I think we're still looking pretty good. If you look at general Heiken Ashi 30-minute run, and you were bullish on longer time scales than 15-minute changes, right? Things change violently in 5 minutes, which is why I don't even like to look at the 5-minute run. But if you look at the 15-minute run, it's almost starting to, it looks not so great. But if you look at a little bit deeper into the 5 on this, you can see, looks like it might be slowing down just a little. But on the 30-minute, you're still good on the Heiken Ashi. The rule is, if you had a double red and a moving average cross, then you would sell for sure. So you're not even in for sure sell situation, the Heiken Ashi 30-minute, which is like my goal. Basically, with the 30-minute Heiken Ashi, you could see you'd have a buy here, sell, buy again, right back in, sell, buy, right back in, and then you're waiting for a sell, and it's not there yet. So you're not rushing it. You may lose a little bit here and there, but you may not. Since we've been talking, it's up $6. I don't know. It'll be all right. I think we have a lot of momentum. So, was that your original investment, or how much would you say you've made on Ethereum after all this time?
As I said, I just got it at my 16th birthday, and I lost it like 2 years ago, and literally half an hour ago I found it thing on my wallet.
Oh, you found all that Ethereum, and you had it for how many years ago?
2.5 years.
Oh yeah, that's so nice. Oh my god, what was it 2 years? What was it 2.5 years ago? What was it?
I don't know. It was like maybe $20.
You son of a bitch. It's like winning the lottery. Let's see here. What is it? 20.
Hello?
Oh yeah, we're still here.
Huh?
Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, we're doing exactly what we've been waiting for a month. We've been building up to this moment for a month. Now we may blow off a little bit of steam here and like not get any higher today, but this action right here is just the beginning upward trend the next couple of weeks. So I said on my Friday stream, there's going to be a big conformational change in the next 2 days. You could see it here. This was the culmination of everything that was happening. Right here.
Yeah.
All of this line is coming to a point. This is basically an upward trend. It was so predictable that everybody knew that something was about to happen right here, big time. And it could have been a big fall, but it looks like we're deciding to go to new higher heights, which means there's going to be a new default middle ground, which is, it's not going to be down here. The new default middle ground should be higher. So yeah, it might not stay this high today, but I'm very bullish on it now. Really bullish.
Hey, Scott, you're on Robinhood, right?
Oh yeah.
Hey, dude, tell me why I just sold my ETH to get out of it, and it says I put 3K in, and now it says my buying power is only $50.
It's a little bit slow sometimes today. Like I sold some Doge today, and I had a transfer go through that doesn't even show as buying power. So like there's been 3 different instances where I was getting fucked on that today.
Wow. Does it eventually come back in your account?
Yeah, it's always come back. Yeah, every time it's ever like disappeared, it's always come back eventually. Like,
but how long though, you think?
So, a few hours at most. I hate to say that would put you out for that long while you're trying to be active, but I would expect it within a few hours, definitely by the end of the day.
Okay, I just didn't. I thought they fucked me or something.
Yeah, they've been playing around. Like I tried to sell some Doge earlier because it popped up to I don't know 3.2 cents, as if that's a popped up. It's popped up, dude. Blew up to 3.2 cents. So yeah, sold for a little bit there. Sure if I even still see it, actually. Nope, still haven't. Yeah, so that's been a minute. What the fuck?
It says in my messages on Robin, it says success, your order filled.
Yep.
$2,965. Your order is complete.
Yeah.
But I go back, my buying power is not there.
Is it in your cryptocurrency group still?
Yeah, it says my market history sell. Yeah.
But like, does it show that you have either the money or the crypto? I was guessing it might show that you still have the crypto, even though it says it's also sold.
No, it doesn't.
Huh? Because my Doge that I sold earlier still shows that I own it, but when I click on it and I go to sell it again, it says 0 Doge available to sell. So like it's sold.
See, mine right now just says buy, and I can't do nothing. It says my availability is only $50.
Yeah, it'll come back. Yeah, it's always. I'll give them credit. Like they fucked us over with the games they played, but I've never like had actual money disappear and never come back. Robinhood. I had a situation where I fucking wanted to sell some Dogecoin at 8 cents and fucking couldn't, and lost thousands of dollars in an hour because it wouldn't let me sell it. And I had to watch the price go down and down and down and down and down. And I was like, motherfuckers.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah. Then I put in a market sell too. I was like 8, as soon as I hit it 8 cents, and I put a market sell in, and it didn't trigger for until it went down to 7, 6, and 5. I think it was 5 something, maybe 6 when it finally sold, but it cost me thousands of dollars. Yeah. And then I wanted to buy it, and it wouldn't let you buy it. Like, I wanted to buy more at a penny and a half, and it was freezing up. You just couldn't buy Dogecoin. You'd try to buy it, and it would say, transaction unavailable right now. It did that for like 2 hours straight, and the whole 2 hours I'm trying to buy Dogecoin, it just tripled and doubled, quadrupled, and then 10 times over the whole. I watched the whole fucking thing. And 10 times. I got it 10 times. I got a number of shares 10 times on Doge. I had Doge at 0.8 cents, a lot of it, and not a lot. I mean, I ended up not making shit after everything was said and done, with my GameStop stocks and my Nokia stocks, my AMC stocks all failing like a motherfucker, and the stock market crashing for 2 days straight. I ended up not making shit. I just broke even though I made thousands of dollars on Doge. Dude, imagine you watching your account and that shit goes up like $4,000 just like that, and you're like, oh fuck, wow, that's cool, and then come on down. Andrea, congratulations.
It's fucking stupid, dude. I can't.
Grizzly, welcome back. Tom, what's up? Andrea, that's a huge win. You got 5 times your money there. You know what's so funny? How in Ethereum, that's how you know it's a stable coin. You get a 5 times, and it's like, Jesus Christ. You get a 5 times on some of these crazy altcoins, and it's like, yeah, I know, that's how it goes. It's easy to lose your money on those guys though too. I don't think you're just gonna lose, like things like Dogecoin, where you can lose 60% of your value in an hour or 2 hours. You're not going to lose 60% of the Ethereum value in 2 hours, so you don't have that risk. That's a nice risk not to have. Let's just say that. Chrome has got the Discord pump there. Thank you. Yeah, get on our Discord, guys. We're chatting it up all day long. All day long on that. Doing it. Giving each other pointers, helping each other out. I want to see, how many people do we have on? I don't see the chat. Cannot. 34. We got 34, and we need some people to like and subscribe, or that's how we're gonna get better. How we're gonna get better stats. Yeah, 16. Guys. You know what's so crazy? We got like the longer we stayed on, the better our stats got. One time, guys, we had hundreds and hundreds of people in the chat live, watching, talking, chit-chatting it up. It was fucking balls. It was awesome. I don't know what the hell happened there. Let's do that again. Fucking do that again. JK, you still on, buddy? Who's on? JK, you on? Anyway, it's not wanting to continue to go too hard right now, but Jesus, the Heikinashi is still green. Still green. We're still green. We can't jump out too quick. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Heikinashi. Jesus, that's a thick fucking red rocket, huh? Jesus Christ. Calm the fuck down, that's what that is. What else happened today? I had the worst fucking day today. I literally had the worst fucking day. I was so pissed. I was so pissed that I couldn't mess around with this at work. And then, no, not JK. See? Jay, what's your last name? Because then we'll know what the. I have I got up this morning. Okay, here's my fucking day. I swear to God, I have a Jeep Rubicon 2018 JLU. It's beautiful, white. It's fucking awesome. JK2. Oh my gosh, no way. I take my Jeep. I gotta get into work. I might be running late. I don't know. I get to the gas station. Apparently, I'm running out of gas, even though I thought I just filled it up. And I think there's something fucking wrong with my gas tank or something. I don't know what it is. I get to the gas tank, and this is the second time in a row. I take the pump. I go, shh, shh, shh. I'm like, what the hell's happening? No matter what I do, pull it in, try it again, a little bit out, a little bit in. It pops. It's constantly popping. This is the second time this happened to me. I was like, what the fuck? And not a lot of good symbols. You guys aren't trading view. I'm not seeing that. Nope. No. Yes. That's what we're looking for. Oh, finally. Oh, finally. How many things can we fit into one? Right. This one's not reloaded. Fuck. Okay. Discord popping off, huh? This thing off the front of my phone. All right. Who's new here? Who's new? We got a lot of love in this channel, dude. Boys, a lot of people in this channel are straight up G's. Who is new? Who's not been new anytime? Let's say hi. Hi to her. Nobody. Okay, so let me finish talking about my shitty day. Gas. I'm having to pump. I'm trying to fill up my gas tank one squeeze at a time. It pops each time. So I'm like, I just finally up. I'm like, this is enough gas to get me to. I'm like, trolling in to work, and we're supposed to be in COVID. Homework radio. What is up? Welcome. Supposed to be in COVID, not supposed to be everybody at work in person. And yet it's 8 o'clock and I cannot get a parking spot anywhere to be seen. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, so I have to park at the farthest parking lot and the highest row. It's the 6th floor. Okay. I get out and I walk a block and it's 10 fucking degrees. American. 10 degrees American. Vortis, what's up? Jameson, hello. Get a like and a subscribe, dudes. Come on, do it. Andrea, like and subscribe. Thank you. So I walk a block, 10 degrees outside, American. I get out, or I get to the corner, I realize I don't have my mask on. Holy shit. Walk back to my car. I have to go up 6 flights of stairs, get into my car, realize I'm not going to make it to my meeting in time. My first meeting, I got to just take it in the car on my phone, which I did. So then after the meeting, I get out, I go down 6 flights of stairs, I walk a block, get to there, and I realize I didn't get the mask again. I forgot the mask again. I didn't get it after going back the first time because then I got distracted because I had to go and take the meeting in the car, which I didn't, you know. So then I did that, and then I walked another fucking block before I realized I forgot my mask again. So then back to the Jeep, 6 flights up, get the mask, getting the mask, and at this point I'm like wondering how fucked is this morning? How fucked is this morning? And then my fucking coffee spills on my legs. Okay, not too much, just a nice little splash. I got dark pants on, so it's not terrible, but I'm like, things are adding up today. Things are adding up today. All of that was happening. I think this was blowing up, and I think God was like, stop living your life and go and trade Ether right fucking now. And I was like, you know, I gotta walk into work. I had to have another meeting. I had to do some paperwork, and then I had another meeting, and it was like, my friends are texting me. JK is texting me, calling me. Hey, are you watching it? Yeah, I'm fucking watching it. Yeah, I know I got Robin Hood up under the table, trying to make conversation and fucking decisions, and I'm trying to look at the price of ETH. All right. So anyway, I was in one particular meeting. At this point, it's like 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'm in the middle of a meeting. I gotta cut this short. I can't take this shit anymore. I've been here all day. What do you want me to do? Work 10 hours straight like a slave? I don't think so. All right. I told the person I'm out of here. You know, and they were like, "You sound really upset. You know, very unusual." So, I canceled my 4 o'clock. Just left. Oh yeah. Is it a oh yeah? I don't know. Does anybody say oh yeah? 2330. It's 2330. 2330. Vortis. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Give me a second. I gotta look at the. Ugh, that's ugly. Is uggo. This is promising though. We're really in flux. Like this is the last moment that this is gonna have. This is the last 9 minutes before we find out if we've hit a high. We're not gonna try and mess around with it again very quick. We got 9 minutes to figure, and then what happens in the next 9 minutes will decide what happens for the next few hours at least. I told you guys yesterday, it'll probably start blowing up in the middle of the night after I go to bed. Go look at the stream. Go look at it. I drew it on the chart. Where's my drawings? Guys, where's remember this thing I drew? Remember I drew this last night, right before I ended the stream. I said, it probably is going to do this after I go to bed, and that's why I set a buy order for 1406, whatever it was, like 1406 I think it was, and I actually hit that buy order and sold it at 1499 without doing anything. Like I wasn't even around. I was at work feeling shitty about not being on and looking at ETH and not being on my Discord much or saying anything on my Patreon today because of the one fucking day I needed to be blasting that shit. I had to be doing meetings, physical in-person meetings, like it is 2019. Do that instead. It's probably gonna blow up after I go to bed. Watch, and it fucking fucker. I wanted to watch the 30. Guys, watch this other. Yeah. If it ends badly enough, it'll be a crosshair. The next 7 minutes. Well, the 30 won't end. I think. A lot could happen in the next 22 minutes, guys. A lot. Yeah, quid pro quo. Thank you. Yeah, I tried to give my actual buys and my sells and my earliest notifications on Patreon. Patreon is super cheap, and everybody who used my Patreon paid for itself in time. Traded up my things posted probably. So even if you only traded a single each, probably most people probably trade with more than one. Dad's calling me. Holy shit! Who wants to hear my fucking dad talk? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah, Dad, I'm streaming right now. What's up?
Why in the world are you the only one I can get through to? I call your mom and the answers, but she can't hear me or whatever. I don't know. What does that mean?
Dad, streaming. Yeah. I'm streaming right now.
Sorry, what?
Everyone can hear you.
Who's everyone?
I don't. 35 people. 40 people. Oh, now it's down to 35 again. 35 people on YouTube.
Why can 35 people hear me right now? Did I call wrong or something?
No, I mean I just have your phone. I had the phone on speakerphone.
Oh, okay. Because I call your mom and the phone vibrates like she answers, but then I can't hear her and she can't hear me.
Oh, wait, fuck. Hold on. Mom's been gone for a while.
Sorry?
Mom left here a long time ago, Dad.
She going to the condo?
I don't know what the fuck she's doing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm going to go down the river, but I got to go to the storage place. I got a whole trailer full of stuff. I got to try to put some of it in storage, you know? She wasn't...
What do you need from her? You thought Mom was going to meet you at storage, but to help you unload something? Oh, I see. Well, I don't know. Sorry, I can't help. She's not here any longer. All right. Love you. Peace out. Bye. I wasn't giving him a hard time. JK, when's the last time you talked to my dad, bro? Am I still on like the Discord live chat too? God, I think I have been this. Off topic question, but can I have 10 stock of AMC? Is there any point keeping or should I? Oh, okay. God, that's a gamble, guys. That's a fucking gamble. AMC. I sold my AMC. I sold my BlackBerry, my Nokia, my AMC, my GameStop, and everything. And after all was said and done, even with the, I got in really fucking late. Like, I don't know, Wednesday night. When maybe halfway through Wednesday last week. Has it only been a week? God, it's a week. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I got in a little bit on all of them. Taken away from my Ethereum money. Then I couldn't sell those stocks to get the money back so that I could put it back into Ethereum. I ended up, if you count the money I could have got playing with Ethereum, or the money that I could have got on Dogecoin, which I couldn't sell, or the money that I could have got on BlackBerry because I owned it at the top and tried to sell it, but I wasn't allowed to sell it for like 2 hours. I literally had to watch it go from $25 to $16 in 2 hours, and I literally lost 9/25. What's 9/25? 36% in 2 hours. I had to watch thousands of my dollars lose 36% in 2 hours because I wasn't allowed to sell my BlackBerry stock because of internet manipulators. TCIV is about to merge with. What does that even mean? That was another Wall Street Bets thing. That was another Wall Street Bets thing that they were talking about, right? If I put more money into ETH, will I get more of a profit? Lee Quick, that is a tough question. In general, ETH is not something that blows up or blows up like some people are looking for. You have to decide what you're looking for. Are you looking to try to get 50% on your money in a month? Are you looking to try to get 50% of your money in a year? Like, what are you looking for? Because if you look at ETH, for example, it's been a very moderate investment over a month's period. If you want to compare it to some other things today. Oh, fuck it. I'm just going to go on Robinhood. God damn it. Trade, Binance. I can just go on ETH. I can look at ETH. I can just look up 1 month's history. And it's up 100% in a month. And that's beautiful. That's beautiful. And that's awesome. Very steady increase. In fact, even though it had its ups and downs, it was all perfectly. Look at this. I can barely show you. Hold on, can I show this? How many more? Look at how regular that looks. You know? Look at how much of a pattern, regular activity that looks like. It's beautiful. Jason, what's up? Zulu did hit a fucking jackpot like a motherfucking G. Didn't even subscribe to the Patreon though for a mere $5. So this is not looking good, guys. We are about to hit a point of no return for the evening. We are getting close to that point. Okay, we have a double red on the 15th. We're about to have a cross on the 30, and that would be one of the first things you would look for. Not that, I mean, no, like a hard sell is, absolute sell is 2 reds, which we haven't even hit, but you had a 1 red and a cross, that's might be time to jump out if you, depending on your risk level. Let's put it this way. If you're looking for a long-term investment, something, is that 2 weeks or is that a month? Or is that 5 years? Because ETH, even if it goes up to $2,000 in the next month, is likely, if things do what they have done historically, lose 60 to 90% of its value. Even if it hits 2,000, even if it hits 3,000, at some point in the next 3 years, it is likely that we go into a bear market and it loses 60 to 90% of its value. So at that time, you look from now to then, this ETH will look like it was a terrible investment. ETH is a great investment for if you're looking to watch the market for the next month and make sure that once you hit the top, you sell. I think everybody thinks that this is going to 2,000 or more. Like, you don't hear anybody saying that this tops out at 50. Nobody is saying that. Everybody is saying that this is going to hit 2,000 easily, and then some, and that's likely to happen in the next month. Which, if you think about it, going from $1,500 to $2,000 is a 30% increase. And if you had shit increasing by 30% in a month's time, you'd be in the money. That's what what else do you want from the world, you know? What up, Nick Nutty? I was doing pretty well with some particular Roth IRA, traditional stock market shit recently. So the stock market went down fucking over 10% over the course of 2 days last week. Yeah, actually, Jason, good point. Yeah, we pushed right through that in a way that I can't believe and stayed above it in a way that was unreal. But the fact that we did do that and maintain such high pressure is one of the reasons why I was feeling so good about position on this right now. I've been feeling more and more negative about it for a while, and we're looking a little bit flat, but if we get another cross, if we get a cross on the 30, if you were going to be safe, you'd probably, we haven't crossed yet, but actually on the 15 we did cross here, but you'd have a strong showing over the next 10 minutes and reverse this. But if we don't, then I think we're going to start seeing some more noticeable downward trends. Not attractive, this bold sell-offs. We're hitting a lot of resistance here. 1550, 45, like 1555 is pretty and we got 1525 is a pretty strong support, actually. Looks like I can see that. Huh. Okay. Let's see if it breaks below this. Breaks quickly below 1525. That'll be something new. What up, Sunday? Vortis, it depends on your trading. Okay. What you look at on the chart should be dependent on your trading. How often do you want to trade? If you want to trade every 30 minutes, I would suggest looking at the 30 minute. In general, that's the lowest I would recommend. Look at this much less volatility. When you look at like the 5-minute trend, and it's much more volatile, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and it gets worse as you go. The more time you have, like the less time you have, the more volatile it can look. But you know, if you go to like the 2 hour, like some people only look at like 2 hours and 3 hours or 1 days. Like they, you know, look at this though. We're way above bar on the 2 hour. So we're still above bar. Like even on the 2 hour, if you're watching the Heiken Aishi on the 2 hour and you were feeling bullish, you wouldn't even sell right now. This isn't even close to where it ends. If we were looking at the 2 hour, if we were trading on the 2 hour Heiken Aishi and this was your current trend, you wouldn't even be thinking of selling right now. It wouldn't even cross your mind. You wouldn't look at the 5-minute and be like, oh shit, we're losing money. That doesn't, no. 15-minute, nope. You wouldn't be looking at the 15-minute and worried about little baby swings. What is this swing? What is it? It's nothing. Right here. Oof, 1.3%. It's not nothing. Anyway, if you were trading on the 2 hour, though, a lot of people like to trade on the 2 hour. It looks so juicy. Yeah, this is such a bullish trend. Not even close to giving up. Not even close. Wow, we're at fuck 15, 16. God damn, we just actually passed through 2 recent lows. So we just beat these. We beat all of this and this. If we beat this, what is this? Low. The low is 1500. So this is 1500. Yeah, this is not going well. Not at all. We got a pretty solid cross on the 15. On the 30. But I look at the 30, by the way. A lot of people trade on higher timelines, but I'm willing to make changes and observe changes at the 30-minute timelines. If you want to trade on bigger scales and let your money sit on it for a long time, this is the 6 hour trend. If you are somebody who traded by the day and you were going to make a trade by the day, this would be your current Aikanashi, and you'd be looking really nice. You'd buy in here and you'd sell here, buy in here and you'd sell where this cross again, and it's not even close to hitting. Okay, look at this. You'd buy here, sell here, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Not even close to selling. Not even fucking close. So yeah, buy, sell. How much is that, right? How much is that? Okay, that's a mere 10%. Yeah. So this is really strong still. I mean, there's very little chance that this turns back and hits this hard. And then you would have to, and if you bought in on this Aikanashi, you'd have bought in at 1320 to 1330, and you'd be up $200 since yesterday. A little bit over 24 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 hours ago, you'd be up $100. What up, baby? $200, I mean. We didn't pick up the food. It reminded me one time. Sad news. More sad news for the day. Oh, more sad news for the day. Fucking day. I swear to God. I swear to God. Our kids' school program has this free lunch program for COVID. Our school gets all this lunch money from the government. Give it to kids, and any kids that were had schooling from home because of COVID qualified for it. And, my kids have been doing homeschooling, so we were supposed to go pick up those lunches, a week's worth of free lunches for them. And I would like to say it's because my wife didn't do it. She probably the best excuse. Guess we'll have to agree to disagree. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm still bullish. I'm probably bullish for the next 2 days straight, I'll probably be hodling. Like I might try and buy dips and sell at the tips and things, but I don't know. It's just it's going up so nicely. Times that 6 hour time. 2 hours still looks. The 2 hour, if you had a 2 hour cross, that'd be an absolute sell. If you had a 2 hour Heikin-Ashi cross, okay, like this, guys. Anytime you cross back over on the 2 hour, it's a sell right here, right? If this goes up like this, and this turns back down, wherever this crosses, then you would sell, absolutely. What is this? 2300, so 11 o'clock tonight. If it continued to crash, it would take the next 3 to 4 hours, I think. If it continued to crash and decided not to go sideways or not to go bullish again, but if it decided to continue to crash, it would take about 3 hours to get to where you would need to be before you were like, fuck it, I gotta get out of here. But if you're the kind of person that trades on small trades, probably we're out by now. You're probably out already. Why would you be? You would potentially lost. You would have lost $30 fucking around for the last couple of hours. If you are the kind of person who can't stand to lose a little bit to continue to stay in, then you probably would have been able to get out up here or even right here. If you how fast can fuck Jesus. You hit a 30-minute cross. You fucker. And it's gonna end right now. And it's gonna end right fucking now. There's not gonna be any recovery from this, people. We're gonna be ending on one nasty ass candle. Oh. Oh. Whew. That's nasty. That's a bad cross right there. This would be a sell. This would be a sell situation. There's a small chance in hell that this candle goes up, but we got this Dogecoin will not sell. Like I can't sell it, even if I wanted to. I'd like to sell it. Don't get scared. Diamond hands, people. This is not much. This is really not much. Look at the overall trend that's been happening. Look at how much we've gained. And this is all we've lost. This is how much we've gained. This. This is how much we've lost. We lost that much here. Maybe here. Maybe here. This thing isn't even like trying to be open. This will be another good data point for us. Look, you guys should never chase it. Like, what do they say? Don't chase the something or another. Don't chase the pump. Don't chase the pump. Is that what they say? Yeah. I have been talking negatively about my feeling of this for quite some time. I would say since I got on an hour ago. Since we had this 15-minute cross right here, definitely now that we a 30-minute cross with 2 reds, This is, I mean, we've been in sell territory for a while. If you're somebody who's looking to buy and sell daily, daily, I mean, multiple times a day. But if you look at some of the other factors, the 2-hour chart is all still green. This is still green. I mean, this is the 2-hour chart. It's still very attractive. You wouldn't sell probably at 1500. You'd sell. That's where you'd be worried probably. Can I get a like and a subscribe? Hit that thumbs up button 3 times. Pop, pop, pop. Okay. Do a spin. Read the description. Find out if there's some method of doing a handout that works for you. Click that link, and let's go. Let's go. Yeah, and we're crossing the RSI 50. Ugh, that's another thing. Got the RSI 50. Cross it in direction. Attractive. Literally has 10 minutes to turn it around, or it's a wrap for a little while. Yep. English. What up? You know, this chart on the right, top right, is really cool. You can watch the flows of buys and sells, and it's not flowing very much. There's like not a lot of volume right now for some weird reason. Either my computer is like having a fucking fit, or the orders are not buying and selling as fast as they normally do. Look at that, 65 on the green. You can't see it very well. You watch these, 105 on the red. Oh Jesus, look at these numbers. You can't see them. Watch these. These are the size of the trade. Oh, 15. Anything over 10 is unusually big. This is a 15 red, 18 green, 21 red. How low do you think it will go if it drops? I was just saying that if you don't get support at 1500, I would be selling for anybody. I would be selling it for a change of heart. Now it's at 1550. 1515. Let's see, what is 1500 divided by 1515? Only 1% difference. You could lose 1%. See if we can turn it around, but not looking like saying boo. Wife's PC. So I think if it breaks below 1500, I think we'll see a continued downtrend for a little while. People will be kind of brokenhearted. They won't be trying to break through 1500 too quickly. We are looking at 1500, which, let's get rid of this line. This one. And if we're looking at 1500 here, yeah, we really need to get support before it comes back down here in the next hour. Yeah, a little uptrend here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Boom. This is a good sign. We got flat top, flat top, flat top, flat top. Tails, longer tail into a shorter tail, into a higher low tail. Hanging man red into a green is a very strong change of trend on the 5, which doesn't say much. But if you had a similar trend like this on the 15, that would be better. 30 would be way better. Yeah. Let's see. This is, it's got in the next, basically if this next one ends terribly, that might be a wrap. But this is it. The next 45 minutes is really what decides whether or not we stop and continue up, or if we want to just go down for a few hours, for 2 more hours. Yeah, this is one of our last ditch efforts. You have shorter? No, I don't know. I have shorter. Do you have shorter, Jeremy? Can you? Hello from France. Are you there? Wait for an ETH retracement. Give me a minute. I'm shorter. Gotta run, take a bio. Be right back. Rome, you still there? You got that Discord link for our boy? Oh my god. Jahan, I just wanted to tell this story. I forgot. Yeah. Dude, I had to pee so bad just now. I was fucking in the bathroom and I was peeing for so fucking long. Oh. This is weird, it's so long. And then I said, turn it around, let's go. And I said, this reminds me of one time we went to the Renaissance Festival and Ryan was driving and he was driving us back. And I was like, dude, I need to go. And he was like, I'm not stopping. And I was like, I have to go. And he's like, I'm not stopping. Use a cup. And I was like, fine. And then I got up. I was in the passenger seat in the front, remember? And I got up. Losing track of my thoughts. I'm trying to do the. No. I'm trying to get the Discord link. Who keeps asking for the Discord link? Share link. Copy. It takes a G. So I'm in his car. Oh, there it goes. Oh, Chrome beat me to it. God damn it. What a wasted time. So I was in his car, and don't tell him I said this, by the way. Don't you fucking tell him I said this. And he's like, I'm not stopping. I'm not. We're going home. We're going home. He's like, out anymore. He just wanted to get home. Whatever. And I was about to piss my pants after a long ass day of drinking at the Renaissance Festival. So he gives me a cup. I don't know what the cup was, where it came from, or whatever. He's like, pee in this. I get up in the seat, I turn around, and the dudes are also in the car, whatever, that doesn't matter. And I start peeing in the cup. I was like, okay, not bad, not bad. Then the cup started to overflow. I couldn't like pinch it off, but nobody noticed. Nobody was watching. Oh, can I get a sub, please? For the story where I peed on the passenger seat. So the cup was overflowing. I think in the next month, I think we'll see ETH to 1,000 for sure. And I took the pee, and after and it was like pee, I was basically peeing right on this fucking seat. Now that I think about it, I did turn around and have to sit in that. 500 subs. Get the fuck out of here. Do I have 500? 460. Come on, you guys can do better than that. 465. Let's go. Let me get some subs, please. I don't think ETH is done. No, it's not done. Close. Then I had to pour the piss in this giant cup full of piss, and it was full at the top, remember, because I filled it up and I had to keep peeing, and I started peeing all over the car, and I'm like shaking the cup, and it's just flowing everywhere. You know, we're all fucking wasted, and he's just driving on the highway like a crazy person, and we rolled down the window. We rolled down the window, and I go. I don't know, JK or Tony was in the back seat on the right, and I'm trying to pour the piss out the window. This. And it's like flying back in the window into the back. Into the back of the car. And it's hitting whoever. Oh my god. But anyway, go to the Renaissance Festival. It's fucking jam. Fuck me. I get a like sitting behind me. You know what else on that day? I think it was that. No, it was not that day. It was another time we went to the Renaissance Festival. We went there and got drunk enough that I don't recall how the day ended. I remember we got kicked out, and I remember being very upset about that. Because like, imagine how stupid you get out of the fucking Renaissance Festival. So, dude, you guys have Renaissance festivals where you're at? Who's got a Renaissance festival where they're at? Who goes to that? Chinese man. What? Zombies come out at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, Grizzly, I said that last night. And I woke up and we were up $100 or whatever the fuck it was. And then it rose another $100 while I was sitting there working, and I missed the whole goddamn thing for the most part. Ooh, we got a couple of big green orders. I have one here in Florida. Been to one in Maryland. Dude, the Renaissance festivals are dope. Like, even if you don't care about dressing up and shit, you don't have to partake in that. But if you're missing out on fucking fried like Scottish eggs and turkey legs and potato chowder and not day drinking all day long and walking around and just looking at shit, you're missing out. You're fucking missing out big time. No, I do not. I do not know how to say your fucking name. Okay, Renier? Renier? I never heard of anybody like that. Where's that from? Am I saying it wrong? Renier? Renaissance Festival's a fucking riot, dude. How many subs? 466 subs. To the moon, boys! To the motherfucking moon. 466 subs. Brasile. You guys speak Spanish or Portuguese? Honey, runnier. Am I saying honey correctly? I feel like I know how to say honey. I don't know why I'm asking you to say honey. Portuguese, yeah. That one's the one that I think no Americans know at all. At all. I mean, Americans can hear, like, you know, Mandarin, Russian, Spanish, Italian, number of other things. We can hear it, we can understand it. By the way, Americans don't learn second languages. Like every other country in the world, everyone knows like 5 languages. Americans, nope. I don't know why. It's fucking stupid. I don't even know anybody in America that knows a second language. I don't know a single person who really knows a second language. Isn't that fucked up? I went and learned Japanese in college. I took Japanese for 4 years, and I went and holy green streakeroonie, and I went and did some schooling in Japan. Worked for a Japanese company for a while, so and I'm really into the Japanese culture, anime, castles, samurai, all of that shit. Okay, ecchi. Who knows about ecchi? You know what I mean? Who knows about that? Give a like, give a thumbs up if you know what fucking ecchi is. I'm Canadian. French. Yep. Uh-oh, Jason. I'm fucked up now. Let me ask you this, Jason. With COVID going on, are you getting your timmies? Are you getting your fucking timmies, bro? Blowing your mind? Bet you didn't know I knew about some timmies. What? Guys, it's 7. There we go. Oh, so they considered it essential for COVID? Holy Jesus. Colossal pump ahead. You know what I need to do? If I want to get 130,000 views like BitBoy, and I gotta say, like, his shit's mainstream. He's like a news program on crypto, which is great, which is absolutely great. That's not what I'm doing. You want to watch the crypto news, that's your guy. That's your fucking BitBoy. Fuck yeah, that's your guy. I like beer too. I said this once a couple of weeks ago on the stream. I said if I ever stop drinking beer and swearing on my streams, it's because somebody paid me to stop. So fuck yeah. Jason, what's Timmy's? What's Timmy's, Jason? Antiviral. Yeah, I actually did get the COVID shot. I didn't even single site. I'm getting the next one in a week. Timmy's is Tim Hortons. It's a nice little chain restaurant that has croissants and croissant sandwiches. It's one of the few places where you can get a croissant sandwich drive through. What did I say? Timeless words. What did I say? I don't know what I said. Good. A lot of greens. Sometimes I wonder how delayed chat. And oh, I actually put a lot of rum in that one, and I just put like a little drip, just a little drip of the Pepsi. I didn't have any Pepsi left, so I put a drip. Oh. This is just like taking straight up shots right now. It's been a day. It's been a fucking day. All right. Oh, give me another peek, huh? What? Why isn't this thing updating? Is this thing not updating? It's not updating. It is updating. We're in the 30-minute. It's just not updating because it hasn't been 30 minutes yet. Okay, guys. Wow, that would be a really great line if that was a real. Huh. Guess we'll see. Or no. Or no. Resurrect. What up, man? You guys got Portuguese speaking people down there in Miami, Florida? I mean, of course you do. That's where all the Portuguese people in the whole country live. Yeah, like between Florida and Louisiana, Mississippi, or whatever it is, down the southeast corner. That's like all the Portuguese in the country. Three white soldiers on the hourly. Check that baby out. What? What? Yeah, guys. Investopedia. Guys, I go to Investopedia every day. Every day I'm going to Investopedia and researching shit, looking shit up. Three white soldiers is a bullish candlestick pattern that is used to predict the reversal of the current downtrend in a pricing chart. Current downtrend? Fuck. What is the three white soldiers on the hourly? I'm looking at the 1 hour. I'm not sure I see that. Brazilians got the booty, right? Is that what we're talking about? All right. Let's see you guys. BR settled sailor. And they're talking about some Portuguese Brazilian shit. Goiânia. After the red doji, the first three green candles on the uptrend. on the 1 hour, huh? It's really not fighting hard to recover. Tell you. I like the 5 minute. Let's keep it on the 5 minute for a minute. I tell you what, I'm starting to feel it. I don't know how many shots I took. I'm starting to feel it. So that probably. Right now we got 57 watching and 35 thumbs up. If I get 6 more thumbs up, I'll drink both of these shots together in one shot. I just need 6 more thumbs up. Bitcoin is running too. No wonder. Trend is our friend till when? Well, the 2 hour is still magnificent. Look at this 2 hour. Look at the beautiful bar. It's starting to slow right. I mean, we're still above moving averages. If you bought in at the 2 hour moving average cross right here, you would have bought in at 340 at the latest, 320 at the earliest. So 1320, 1340. So you're up $200. So even if you sell here, let's say it crosses here. Let's say this continues to turn and it crosses here. You would sell here at 1480. I imagine it probably should be above 1500. But yeah, still be in the money. If you were following this chart the whole time, if this all you follow all day, and you never ever look at the 5 minute or the 15 minute or even the 30 minute, and all you ever looked at was the 2 hour. This is, you would have crossed here yesterday at 1 p.m. You would have just bought, you would have bought here. Yes, you would have went all in yesterday at 1 p.m. here. And you would have stayed in. You would have stayed in. Stayed in. Never would have got out because you've never crossed. Your money would have went up $200 a share. And, oh shit! All right, you guys got 41 likes. Wonderful. All right, let's go. Oh, that's pure Malibu rum. That's pure Malibu rum. Guys, I don't do shots. Ask JK. I don't do shots, so. Holy BTC is flying. Let's check it out. That's a goddamn shame. She forgot this name. But yeah. You gotta look at the G code, guys. Chart. What? That's on there. Huh. This is actually the literal end of the triangle that I've had for Bitcoin for nearly a month. I don't know how long it's been. Seems like it's so 3 weeks. Using this and this trend here. Pulled this out a long time ago. And it dropped underneath a couple of times. I thought, well, maybe we're fucked. Came up through it and I was like, oh, that makes sense. Blow out here. Yeah. 2 hour on Bitcoin is still nice. Let's see what. Ooh, their 30 minutes more attractive than our 30 minute. What the fuck? Yeah. Well, 2%, 30 minutes. What the fuck? I want some of that action, you fucker. Okay, three white soldiers. As you hit a bottom and you go pop, 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 and that burst your negative trend strongly. Okay. Bitcoin. All right, back to it. Exciting stuff. Huh, that bottom was a nice draw. That bottom was a nice draw. If that ends up, if we get another data point and this stays above this line, then this is going to be a really good line. Can I get a sub, please, for anybody who wants to just waste their time doing nothing with their life, wish they could just get rich quick and live the rest of their lives playing video games, working out, and just being sexy and rich, and just getting more mobile phone time, just fucking like literally blow a month on Twitter, something stupid, just like literally blow a month on Instagram, doing like your parents are like, yeah, you have money, but you're fucking up, like they're pissed at you because you're fucking doing nothing, and even you got all that money, your parents are like, what a waste. Don't judge. I need a break. You know, that's what I would say. I need a fucking break. I've been working for too long and too hard. I can't retire. Hey, unless you fucking help me. You know what I'm saying? Help me help you. The opposite, because I help not. ETH got ATH, BT will get ATH. Give me a break. You know, Fernandez, wow, bro, you bought that high. I bought BTC at 37. I was losing 1,000, but I'm only 800. Yeah. There's only two moods. There's two moods of people on Bitcoin. One mood is Bitcoin goes to 100,000 before the end of the year, or somewhere between 50 and 100,000. There's the people who appreciate Bitcoin, who believe it'll go from 50 to 100,000 by the end of the year. And there's everyone else who is just waiting for it to fall back below 20,000 at any moment. So you got, those are your skeptics and your bears, and then you got your bulls who think Bitcoin's to 1,000 with it. We'll see who wins that little. I'm out of drinks. I'm out of drinks, and I'm out of love because ETH stopped doing anything interesting. I'm just sad right now. I'm going to watch it a little bit longer. I'm not going to make any big changes. I'm actually been holding for a little while. I've been holding, and I'm up close to breaking ETH. But I'm still expecting this kind of stuff to happen periodically over the next 40 hours. So I'm not going to be trying to sell unless I'm watching like dips and tips and things. I don't see this crashing hard. this trend right now. Even if it crashed hard after what's happened, I don't think that. I mean, I don't think we get 14.8. That would be a pretty big crash. I mean, worst we ever get on a still continuing upwards. I don't think there's any way it goes below 1450. If it crashed the hardest, I don't get. But I'm looking at this line and I'm liking this. Yes, it does that. Or when they cross, that's when conformational change. Obviously, this is going to be drastic. Probably not exactly, but if it stayed within this line in any way. Talking about 1600 by tomorrow. So we will see. We'll see. I am going to point like this and take a picture of my screenshot. Can I do that? How do I do that? Boom. Nice. That's a screenshot. I'm going to take it. I'm going to give it. I'm going to put it on my. I don't make these really awesome thumbnails that everyone makes, that gets everyone. Yeah, 100K per Bitcoin in 2021. Yeah, a lot of people, somewhere between 50 and 100 is the general guess for everybody. Pretty safe. I mean, if you go in Bitcoin at any point, if you go into Bitcoin, if it does what everyone's expecting, you can buy it at any point. Even if you lose $5,000 in a week, you should be gaining $10,000 the next week, whatever it is. But over time, everybody is betting. In general, they're expecting Bitcoin to go up to 50,000 or to 100,000 within this year, which would be a doubling of your money in 1 year. And normally, that's great. I mean, that's not crazy for crypto. So if you're trying to double your money in a month or 2 months, those are very rare and very risky investments. Recommend. Pi is a new crypto that can be mined on Android and iOS. It was developed by Steve. It's reached 10 million. Pi Network. Give me a fucking thingamajig where I take money and I sell your shit to everyone who watches me. What the fuck is that called? You give me that, I'll fucking sell Pi all day. If you sold, imagine selling a single Bitcoin, and this is all by ratio, but imagine selling a Bitcoin for 100,000. Would you care if you bought it at 35 or 40? Would you care if you bought it at 30 or 40? If you sold a Bitcoin for 100,000, it wouldn't matter that much if you bought it at 30 or 40. Like, that's 10,000, sure, but you're up 60, so nobody's complaining. My sound is cutting in and out. What the fuck? Is it because I'm going back like when I come up forward like this, you can hear it? CNS, what is up? Carlos Nixon Rodriguez. 1528. Yeah, I'm getting bored of ETH. It's certainly not doing anything interesting. It's not trying to blow up. It's not trying to dip down. I don't think I could mine Pi. I think I need a VPN to mine Pi, no? Pi mining? I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I tried it try to see if I could do it for a second, but I couldn't, so I just gave up. Pi Network, social chain. Really awesome concept. I can't wait to see how far it will go. Pi is a coin under development. Yeah. My buddy has mining. I should. Oh, why? You have midoin. ETH to. How fucking ETH to the moon. What's the moon for you though? Is the moon 2000? I don't know how Ethereum breaks 2000 and continues upwards. You have to remember that the price, like the amount of Ethereum in the world, is a set number currently. It increases perpetually, and everybody knows how much it increases by on a daily basis. But by far, there's a lot more bought than created basis. But there's a limited number of Ethereum in the world, and so as purchases go up, price goes up, and that as long as purchasing outpaces selling, then price goes up. That's supply and demand. That's how it works. But cryptocurrency mining made easy. All right, Pi now. Let's check this shit out. I'm gonna connect you to fucking Facebook so Mark Zuckerberg can guys suck his dick on all activity. No. Like what? Don't trust Pi. I've heard a number of people talking about Pi mining on your phone. Should I not check that out? Oh, I'm pretty sure my wife brings the baby right in front of my office door and makes him cry. Like she might just piss him off or something just so. Who invited you? Oh, I didn't use an invitation code. Does somebody want to give me a Pi Network invitation code? We can all rub each other out. Stay here. How do I mine Pi on my phone? To mine Pi, all one has to do is install an app on their mobile phone. Pi Network. Enabling mining on mobile phones. I can get in on that. I can get in on that. That sounds fun to me. I'll give you an invitation. All right, do it. Post your invitation link. Get fucking rich, bro. Post it in the chat. Probably 2 people will use it, and you'll be fucking rich like a G. Except first person to post it immediately. I'm just waiting. Got one person. I scratched something on my back. I'm just concerned. Got a white shirt under this, and that to be stained. So I don't know about all that. Anyway, I do want to get dinner soon. Feeling not great about current actions. Oh. Crying. Wife won't, goddamn. Guess we're about to find out. Fine. Huh. Guess we're about to find out if this is a good line. Still nobody posted their link. I swear to God. Submit invitation code. It won't even let me continue. Oh, return to login page. It doesn't matter. Invitation code is required. Find it in your refers message. Oh my gosh, I must have a refers code. Posted in the Discord. Is that what that noise was? Mortis, peace out. I'm about to leave. I'm about to get off. I'm just trying. I might as well be on still while I'm trying to do this Pi thing. Let's see what happens. Hi. By the way, my wife's not giving me trouble for doing this. I think it's because I have 8 Patreons. 8 guys. I said for my first 10 Patreons, when I make my first million, I'm going to give $1,000 to my first 10 Patreons. I'm going to take those 10 Patreons. I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm going to fucking put it on my wall. You can't post links. I don't think. That's probably why your didn't work. Try to post one. Probably. I don't think anyone's allowed to post links in chat. Except for if you're on the Discord, you can go on the Discord. But nobody on the Discord is posting a link to Pi either. I guess I'll do it in the morning. Fuck it. I'm not doing Pi today. We'll do Pi tomorrow. That'll be our topic of the day. Of course, this price chart stops working any fucking way. 1526. We've been fucking around between 1520 and 1534 for a fucking hour straight. I'm getting shit. There's here. Shit. Fight the power. Yay, Pi. Chrome, if you have a link, put in the Discord for your Pi so I can use it and everyone else can use it, please. I got a piece out. Oh, somebody did post it. Here we go. Somebody posted. Hypnotic posted in the Discord. Pi Network. Where's the fucking code? Literally doesn't have a code. You literally don't have a code. I don't understand. If I click it, hold on, I'm clicking it and it's telling me to download the app, and then when I click download it says you already have it, open it, and then when I open it it says what's the invitation code, and like I don't see anywhere in that whole scenario or invitation code. My mic is cutting in and out. Oh my god. Let me see here. Hold on. Let me talk down here. I think I have my mic set to a lower sensitivity, so that way when fucking kids are screaming in the background, you guys can't hear. Because if you set the mic to a certain point, anything that happens below that you won't hear at all. But once it breaks that point, then you. So I have to set it kind of high, or else it'll be fucking screaming. With that, trust me. You'd had 4 kids. Use the referral code for IPIC. I'm trying. The Alzheimer's FDA approval. I remember talking about that. And what did I say? I always invested in all these pharmaceutical companies. I always had miracle cures like the Hep C thing and all these other things. And they never worked out. Is it still you can't hear? Still, even though what? Oh my god, it's still. Try it now. Can you hear me now? I think I turned it down lower like a fucking dumbass. Jesus Christ. Gotta go. We got another fucking Patreon. Nunya. Fuck yeah, dude. Yeah. What do we got? Number 9? There's only one spot left to be in the top 10. Motherfuckers. Appreciate it. Look in the description for ways to give handouts to your boy. We can make it happen. Long-term investment, we're still in for Ethereum. Short-term investments, you should have got